How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. So in the video today, I'll show you how you can actually fix your TikTok profile view option not showing. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to actually head over to the actual app store and go ahead and click on it. Now in the app store, you're going to want to actually search up TikTok. Now make sure you go ahead and click TikTok and then click on the app here. Now you're going to want to go ahead and actually make sure that your app is updated. Now it's very important that it's updated because it will actually give you some of the recent features on the actual app. So you can actually see that we can actually head over to the version history here on Apple iPhone and check the version. So just make sure you're here at the recent one. So once you've done that, go ahead and actually go back to your Instagram app and you'll be able to see footsteps at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to click on it and see profile views. Now, by any chance, if that does not work, go ahead and head over to the three lines at the top right hand corner, click settings and privacy, and then head over down to the bottom and click free up space. Now here you're going to want to clear the cache of the actual TikTok app. So just go ahead and click clear right here and then clear the cache of the actual app. Now that's one solution or two solutions. Now, if none of that worked for you, go ahead, delete TikTok and make sure you remove the app and delete the full app completely. Then after that, go ahead and re-download TikTok and then go ahead and see if you actually have the profile view option. Now, if any of that did not work, then you're going to want to head over to the three lines at the top right hand corner again. Go ahead and click it and then click settings and privacy. Now, make your way down to the bottom page and go ahead and click on report a problem. Now here in report a problem, you're actually going to see a couple of topics regarding account issues and much more. So just go ahead and click account and profile. And then here you're going to want to go ahead and click profile page and you're going to want to go ahead and click other. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and go down and click need more help. Now here you're going to want to go ahead and give feedback to TikTok, what is actually happening. You could even take a picture of the actual problem itself and attach it to the ticket. So just say here that my TikTok won't show profile views. And then just say, please help me as I want the new feature. So just basically say that and basically go ahead and send them the ticket right here. And then they'll go ahead and get back to you and diagnose the actual issue you're currently having with your TikTok app. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.